Hello, mentors. This is meeting 6 about stacking cups. Let's talk in this video just about the whole table challenge. So that goes after the first 4 challenges for points that are done in the mini teams. This is actually done at the whole table level, but the mini teams get 50 points each if they get it. So you'll have 9 cups, and the goal is to finish in the middle, in the fifth avenue. Take turns clockwise. So each turn a player participates. I would say that's the key word. So adds value to the table with either a question or a suggestion or actually making a move. So discuss. It's really important to discuss and not just keep quiet, because otherwise the mathematical properties won't emerge. So I really like this game or this activity because it's a simple version of a big game in which hopefully kids can relate top games, so games with fewer cups, on how to win big games. And that's going to be a key part on what follows, which is the recursive property of let's win it all, right? Let's win at any given length. So this is a good landmark, a good stopping point before going to this beast, which is, in general, any end. Let's try to play and see what happens. So in our app, we could just restart and play. Yeah, let's just go 1D. Right, so we have 9 cups, and hopefully all or almost all are different colors so that kids can refer to them, right? Move this color to this spot and so on. So let's see, we have 9. So hopefully what emerges first is symmetry, right? You want to end in position 5. So immediately you maybe see that you have kind of 2 games, one at the left, one at the right, that if you play well, you'll win. You cannot really move cup 5 because then this space would be empty. And by rules of the game, it's impossible to get to 5 again. So what we could do is, some students may realize, like, I get it. We need to move these 4 cups to this position because then we'll have 4, and then a jump of 4 lands to 5. So right there, they're playing this sub game of these 4 cups. Don't tell them that of course, right? So have students discover that they could actually do that. So I'm playing very fast, but that's not gonna be necessarily the case, right, during the tables. A lot of symmetry, and here we can win in 2 steps. You could play again and say, okay, is there another way we can play? And students may be like, no, this is the only way. Well, we don't know. Maybe we can have another symmetry. What if we do this? Maybe since we want to get at 5, maybe these 2 cups can go now. And what else could we do? So some students may realize that these 3 cups could be merged, but the question is to which position. So there's 3 cups, so they need to go to position number 2. And so they could do this. And again, a similar symmetric configuration, 3-3-3. It's very, very nice. Gets you to your desired place. You could again ask, is there another way I could win? Can I do this maybe? And so some ways will work, some other ways won't. Like here, I got maybe too greedy or too fast, and I'm just gonna lose because 1 and 9 were isolated, right? So we have to move these cups kind of in advance. We cannot spend too much time. But if we do this, then some students may be trying to do something like this. And they could maybe, yeah, see that, okay, it's essentially the same game that they just play, just in a slightly different order. So yeah, I have a question for mentors. If you could maybe have another essentially different solution to get at these 5. What can happen after they play this game? And if they're hungry enough still for 10 more points, change the end goal. So land not in the middle, but any other place. So for example, how can we play to end at 8? And so students could, yeah, they could try to to see if they're able to do this or not. So yeah, didn't get it right. So maybe they need to restart and keep trying. So that's the game. Again, what I said, it's try that the mathematical property of sub-games, mini games, right? Smaller games that are played inside big games emerges, that it actually is made visible by students, by you, by the discussions that take place. Okay, hope you have fun and see you in another video.